Hi, this is Naomi with the Naomi Butler Show, and I'm showing you how I do my oatmeal, and I'll show you more about everything in another video about all of the things I put in my smoothies. But right now, I've cooked the diced apples in some canola oil and flax-seed oil, and I've sprinkled cinnamon over them, and they're pretty much done. And then over here, I have my oatmeal that started out with a lot of water, oatmeal, and then I added some vanilla and some cinnamon. And when you first get the cinnamon in there, it does not dissolve, so you kind of have to take it around the sides and do that a lot with the big pieces of cinnamon. And then I'll add some almond milk, and you can see how it's thickening up. And then once all of it has kind of done its thing, and this is ready, then I will mix all of the apples into the oatmeal and then let it sit for just a little bit, and then I'm ready for my first bowl of oatmeal. But what I do is I make 7 days of it total. That way I just take some out of the refrigerator every day and add a little cinnamon, vanilla, and almond milk to it when I heat it up, and it's ready to go. It makes it easy if you do 7 days at a time. So I'm gonna try to hold one hand with the phone, pour these in here, set that aside, and then just mix it up and show you. This is the yummy oatmeal, and of course, all these ingredients, oatmeal is good for cholesterol, and the cinnamon is good for a lot of things, including an anti-cancer, has anti-cancer properties, and then the apples as well. So that's the oatmeal. Now I'm going to show you a picture of my smoothie. This has over 30 ingredients, which I will talk about another day, but I'm drinking all of that with 1/7 of this and my green tea, and that's my normal brunch meal. So there you have it. This is some of the anti-cancer, antioxidant ingredients, part 1, that I will show you more of later. But as I mentioned in Attitude and Gratitude Living part 1, cinnamon is one of those really good things to eat. And so I'm going to start with that. I have a lot of it in here in the oatmeal, and I have some in my smoothie. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.